So we got, this is the Hong Kong wood here. Very nice. Upcycled the Christmas tree there. And what else do we have?
What else do you have? Some of them are the lychee.
Oh, for lychee tree? Ah, yeah.
Lychee tree as well.
Ah.
And dragon as well, I think. And also 八千层 there. So some of many layers that you can see in the middle, right? There's quite a lot of layer on the top. It's quite usual in Hong Kong. I forgot the name.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's common in Hong Kong.
And
These are what we like. Like the walnut, as well. The cherry corn. So what they learn is the join with the incline, so that afterwards they can do this part easier. Yeah. This one is a bit harder because it's 60 degrees.
yeah.
This one is about, I think, 8 to 10. So this is the sample for them to reference right now, because they can change this part or this part for the bottom. Yeah. Start to do the simple joinery, which is vertical one. And then the third one will be the incline one, which is similar to this part. So when they have the fourth lesson, they will do everything, start drawing the line, and then I think around 5, the fifth lesson, we'll start getting the hole here. And then the sixth will be on the legs, and the seventh will be do this joinery here, and then the 8th we compile together and we sand. We get the paint, finish and yes. So pretty much the 8th lesson will be here, but if they do faster, they can like cut here or get the shape here. Yeah. To try to do their own style.